Once upon a time, in a small village, there was a boy named Jake. Jake loved reading more than anything else. He would spend hours in the village library, lost in the pages of his favorite books. One sunny afternoon, while exploring a dusty corner of the library, Jake found an old, forgotten book. It had a shiny cover and was covered in gold dust. The title read, "The Book of Magic." Curious, Jake opened the book. As soon as he did, a warm light filled the room. The pages were blank at first, but then words began to appear on them, glowing softly. The book whispered, "Hello, Jake. I am a magical book, and I can take you to amazing places. Do you want to come on an adventure?" Jake couldn't believe his ears. He nodded excitedly and said, "Yes, please." The book flipped its pages quickly, and suddenly, Jake was not in the library anymore. He found himself in a beautiful forest full of talking animals and sparkling rivers. A friendly squirrel approached him and said, "Welcome, Jake. The book has brought you here to help us. The evil wizard has stolen our magic acorns. Without them, our forest will lose its magic." Jake was determined to help. He asked, "Where can I find the evil wizard?" The squirrel pointed to a dark castle on a distant hill. "Be brave, Jake," the squirrel said. "You have the magic book with you. It will guide you." Jake thanked the squirrel and started walking toward the castle. Along the way, he faced many challenges. He crossed a bridge guarded by a grumpy troll by answering a tricky riddle. He found his way through a maze with the help of the glowing pages of the book. Finally, Jake reached the castle. The evil wizard was there, holding a bag full of magic acorns. "You can't take these!" Jake shouted. The wizard laughed and said, "And who will stop me? A little boy like you?" But Jake had the magic book. He opened it, and the pages shone brightly. The light was so powerful that the wizard had to cover his eyes. Jake quickly grabbed the bag of acorns and ran out of the castle. The forest cheered when Jake returned with the acorns. The animals danced, and the trees glowed with happiness. "Thank you, Jake," said the squirrel. "You have saved our home." Jake smiled and waved goodbye. The magic book took him back to the library. It whispered, "Thank you for the adventure, Jake. Remember, magic is everywhere if you believe." From that day on, Jake kept the magical book safe, knowing that he could always return to the land of adventure whenever he wanted. And he did, many times, always ready for the next magical journey.